Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to day 3 class. Already we discussed yesterday class multiplication problem with 3 digit, another 3 digit, how to multiply the numbers. Already we discussed that one. That remaining problems now we are going to discussion. And words problem, it means story problem. The other name is statement problem. Also, we discussed yesterday. But remaining problems, your exercise problems are remaining there. And I given also exercise 1.1, Roman number first, second, third, you have to solve. But today we are going to discuss about find the product of 66,723 and 46. This is 1 marks question. This is 1 marks question. Find the product of. Already we discussed what is multiplier, what is multiplicate, and what is product. Already we discussed that one. Now we are going to discuss this question. First of all, this type question given means find the product of 66,723 and 46. First of all, this type we have to write 66,723, then multiplication symbol, then it is 46. Yes or no? Then this is 46 given means you have to do this type. 6 3s are how much? 6 1 6, 6 3s are 18. Because 46 tables we don't know. Then you have to take only single number, then you have to multiply the given. Then you have to take 6 3s are 18, 1 carry and 8. 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12 plus 1 carry 13. And 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 43. Then 6 6s are 36. 36 plus 4 40. Then 6 6s are 36 plus 4 40. Then one number is completed, then you have to leave here one number, then that is star mark. Then go to next number. 4 3s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 9, then it carry is cancelled. 4 7s are 28, 2 carry 8. Then 4 6s are 24 plus 2 26, 2 carry, then 6. 4 6s are 24 plus 2 26. Then you have to add the remaining. Yes or no? Then 8 as it is 8. Then 3 plus 2 5. 9 plus 3 12, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9. 6 as it is, because we should add any number with 0, that answer should be itself. Then 4 plus 6 10. 2 plus 1 3. Then you have to keep their comma. Then you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 30 lakh, 69,258. This is the product. It is product. What is that? It is product. Understood? Any doubt? Okay, all of you solve this one. Second one question, 6788 multiplication 104. Find product. It is 2 marks question. It is 2 marks question. Understand? 6788 multiplication 104. Understand? Then you have to do it right as it is. 6788 multiplication 104. 104. Yes or no? Then here 4 8s are 4 1 4. 4 8s are 32. 3 carry and 2. Because 104 we don't know means we take single number only. Then 4 8s are 32. 3 carry and 2. 4 8s are again 32. 32 plus 3 35. 3 carry and 5. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 31. Again carry 3 and 1. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 27. Then one number completed means leave one number, then go to next number. But first class you have to study properties of multiplication. One properties is there, any number you have to take and multiply with 0. The answer should be 0 only. Okay, that is the one property. 0 8s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 6s are 0. Then two numbers completed means leave 2 place. Then go to next. 100 1 8s are 8, 1 8s are 8, 1 7s are 7, 1 6s are 6. Then all 3 steps you should add. Then 2 as it is 2, 5 as it is 5, 1 plus 8 it is 9, 7 plus 8 15, 7 plus 3 10, 7. It is 7,05,952. It is the product. Understood? Okay, all of you write down this one. Fourth one, the cost of a bag containing 10 kg, rice is ₹285. Find the cost of 25 bags of rice. This is the given question. The cost of a bag containing 10 kg. One bag total quantity is 10 kg. Then that 10 kg rice cost is 285 rupees. Find the cost of 25 such bags. Nodri, one bag ಒಳಗೆ 10 kg rice ಇದೆ. ಆ 10 kg rice cost is ₹285. Then total cost of that type 25 bags. ಅಂತವ 10 kg ದು 25 ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅದಾವ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ total cost how much? You should write first statement. Answer. It is statement problem or word problem, no problem. Okay. 10 kg rice bag cost is ₹285. Then total number of 25, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 42, 4 2s are 10 plus 4 14, then leave one number, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, then add it is 5 2 11 6 7 7000, the total cost of 25 kg bags, 25 kg rice bag is rupees 7125. Okay, all of you write down this one. Then next one problem is there in your exercise 1.1 problem, that is I will now show you. First of all, you should open your textbook. Next page. Okay. Third one problem. A dealer buys 27 bicycles for his showroom. Cost of each bicycle is rupees 2067. Find the cost of total amount paid by the dealer. This is the question. You understand this question? ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತಿಳಿಯಿತು? ಸರ್ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೀಡ್ 4 to 5 times. 5 ರಿಂದ 4 ರಿಂದ 5 ಸಾರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎ ಡೀಲರ್ buys means ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. He purchased buys 27 bicycles. How many bicycles he purchased? 27 bicycles is purchased for his showroom. A dealer has one cycle showroom. Bicycle means cycle. Bicycle showroom he has. Then because of Deepavali season, they buy 27 bicycles for his showroom. Cost of each bicycle. One bicycle cost is rupees 2067. Find the total amount paid by the dealer. Then how much amount paid by the dealer? Total 27 bicycles. First of all, you should write answer. What is given there? Statements you should write. The cost of one bicycle is rupees 2067. Then total purchased number of bicycles 7 7 49 because you take a single number. 7 7 47 49, 7 6 42, 42 plus 4 46, then 7 0 0 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 7 2 14 plus 1 50. Then completed one number means you should leave one number. Then 7 2 14, 1 carry, 6 2 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, 2 0 0 plus 1 1, 2 2 4, 9, 6 plus 4 10, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6, 4 plus 1 5. The total amount is rupees 56,509 rupees. Total amount paid, how much amount he paid? 56,509 rupees he paid to that shop owner. Understand? Okay, all of you write this question and this answer should be right. Okay, this is your exercise 1.1 word problem. Write down fast. Next one word problem is fourth one. A farmer grew 23 quintals of wheat. He sold them for rupees 1,935 per quintal. How much amount did the farmer get by selling wheat? This is the given question. Farmer means ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ರೈತ. A farmer grew 23 quintal of wheat. Wheat means what? ಗೋಧಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಿಂಟಾಲ್ ಗೋಧಿಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆದಿದನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 23 ಕ್ವಿಂಟಾಲ್. Then tell me the one question. 1 quintal equal to how many kg? 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. Remember in your mind, 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. Then 1 ton equal to 1000 kg. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಡಿ. 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. Remember in your mind. A farmer grew 23 quintals of wheat. He sold them for 1,935 per quintal. How much amount did the farmer get by selling wheat? ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 23 ಕ್ವಿಂಟಲ್ wheat ಅನ್ನ ಗೋಧಿಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದನು. ಆ ಗೋಧಿಯನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಾನೇ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ. Then he have to go to sell that wheat. That per quintal cost is 1,935 rupees. Then total how much rupees are there in all 23 quintals? You should find out that one, because that farmer not went to school. That's why they given to solve the problem. Then you have to tell answer correctly. Then answer. First you write statement. The cost of 1 quintal wheat. 1 quintal wheat is rupees 1935. Then the total quantity of wheat is 27 quintal. Total quantity of wheat is 27 quintal. But sir, I don't know sir 27 the table. You take single number. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry and 5. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3, 24. Then 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 2, 65. Then 7 1s are 7 plus 6, 13. Then leave one number. Then 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Then 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 8, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Then you have to add it. Then 5 as it is 5, 4 as it is 4, then 12, 11 and 12, 3 1 4 5. The total cost of the total farmer got amount is rupees 52,245 rupees he got total amount. Okay, first of all you should read the problem carefully. Afterwards you have to write what is given there, then you have to write here. Afterwards you have to do multiplication, then you have to find the answer. Okay, remaining two problems are there. You have to solve these problems. First one is solve the following problems. Page number is there in below. How much? Page number 7. Page number is 7. Then first one is there. Mr. Siddhappa is a fruit selling agent who exports oranges, one box containing 144 oranges. If he exports 259 boxes of oranges, find the total amount. Find the total number of oranges exported. One box oranges are 144, then total number of boxes 259. You have to do it. One box, total number of one box fruits 144, then total number of boxes 259. Multiplication ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Then second one, in a protected forest area 160 trees are planted in each row and 108 trees in each column. Find the total number of trees planted in the forest area. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಥ್ರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.